Hello friends, hope you are all doing great and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce some photo camera lenses which will help to increase your photography skills using your mobile phones. Let's unbox this. Today I'm showing before you a 7-in-1 lens kit which I have been using for the past 1 year. Uh, f- which helps me a lot for taking so much of clicks if I am on a travel, and it is easy to carry with us just like a small pouch with us. It has different kind of lens it contains of 7 different types of lens. So on the screen you can see this box contains a holder and 7 different kinds of lens, and also a cleaning cloth with inside it. So look at it. The lenses are which are pretty easy to carry and in easy, and which look goodly clearly packed and well packed for this. Okay. The different types of lenses you can see as seen in the video. It has a CPL mobile phone lens, then a telephoto lens with a 2x zoom, and a kaleidoscopic lens, then a macro lens with the 0.63x wide and a fisheye lens, and also we have a super wide 3x zoom lens. And in order to connect it, it is simple. Just rotate and fix it in the holder, and you can clip with the clip. You can clip above the mobile phone, as you can see in the picture. Now it's very easy to attach and use. Now let's see some photos you have taken using the different kinds of lens. First one, it is taken using a super wide lens. Next one using a telephotic lens. Then using a CPL mobile lens, you can see the exposure of the camera quality has been increased. Then it's from the using kaleidoscope lens. Then using a fisheye lens. And this is a macro shot which I have taken using the macro with the wide angle lens. So hope you are all like this a small video. If you want to know the description of this product, just check out my description box. You can see it. So hope you all like this video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Stay safe. Thank you.